What's the meaning of brutalist? Brutalist. Brutalist.
Brutalist. Brutalist. The term brutalist refers to a style of architecture that emerged in the mid-20th century, characterized by its raw, concrete construction and lack of decorative elements. Brutalist buildings are often imposing and heavy-looking, with sharp edges and angular shapes. The style was popularized by architects like Le Corbusier and is associated with the post-war era of reconstruction and rebuilding. Today, many brutalist buildings have fallen out of favor due to their perceived ugliness and difficulty to maintain, but some argue that they represent an important part of architectural history and should be preserved.